is going to be wild salmon with a ginger maple garlic crust baked in the oven. Salmon is one of my favorite fishes. It's a lovely oily fish, and I do love the wild salmon more than farmed salmon. So for this recipe, we're going to be using a little bit of coconut oil, fresh ginger, garlic, brown rice, whole grain crust, whole grain, what do you call this? Crumbs for the crust. And I'm also going to be using a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of oregano. As you know, I love to put oregano in everything. And we're going to bake this in the oven for 15-20 minutes. As always, for the full recipe, go down below. Sometimes I change things in the moment, so I always put the final creation down below. And yes, let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the oven. I'm not going to do that because my oven makes so much noise and I haven't figured out the tech side of things and how to keep that sort of at the background. Turn on your oven now to 180, and you're going to need a flat tray like this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, I've already sprinkled a little bit of oregano, but I think I'm going to just add a tiny little bit more to it. And the recipe below is going to be for 2 fillets of wild salmon for 2 people. I've got 3 here, but you can get the recipe for 2 below. So then we're going to just brush the salmon with some coconut oil. We're going to grate a little bit of ginger. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I love the smell of fresh ginger. We're going to crush the garlic on top. There's something nice about garlic, ginger, and maple syrup. Just a small clove of garlic. You don't want too much garlic. Yum, yum, yum. Some sea salt, of course, and a teaspoon of maple syrup. Just going to add some nice sweetness to it. Sweet. Next, we're going to dip the fillets into the whole grain brown rice crumbs. It's gluten-free and it's much more healthy than obviously white crumbs. So I'm using my hands. I like to use my hands a lot when I'm cooking. I can already taste the yumminess. Ideally you want a flat tray, and you want to oil the bottom a little bit so it doesn't stick. Perfect. 1, 2, and that's 3. We're going to bake this for 15 minutes. It is ready. Oh, the broccoli. Ooh. Okay. Woof, look at this steam. Oh, I love wild salmon. A little bit of warm. Let's try. I'm going to add a bit of salt to my broccoli and some some lime. Oops! Just went over. Okay, let's give this a try. It is soft on the inside, warm and crispy on the outside and the bottom. I love it. Delicious, delicious, simple. If you make this, let me know. And wherever you are in the world, have a wonderful one. Enjoy, bon appetit, and I shall see you again very soon.